You hear terms like AI, ML, and DL and wonder what's the difference, right? Don't worry. In next 5 minutes, yes, in just 5 minutes, I'll clear all your confusion and you will have a clear picture around these three terms. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Let's start with artificial intelligence. AI is the mastermind of this complete system, or you can say it is the outermost layer of this system. Okay? Any system or any computer which works smart and mimics human behavior comes under artificial intelligence. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a broader term. So now you know everything around you, starting from Google Maps to suggestions to Siri and till your phone unlock everything which looks smart and is not human, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, so make this thing clear that everything which is smarter, that is artificial intelligence. So now let's come to ML. ML is machine learning and ML is a subset of AI, or you can say ML is a follower of AI. AI was our mastermind. Now ML is his follower. Okay. Or in Hindi we can say ML AI का चेला है. AI is baap and ML uska chela hai. Okay. And if you want to keep this in your mind that what is ML, just remember that ML equals to your data. Okay. Machine learns from your data. For example, whenever you are searching Nike shoes on any of the browser, right? Now you will keep on seeing ads for next 1 or 2 weeks, right? So our machine learned from your action, your data. Or you can take another example. If you watch 1 or 2 of my reels on Instagram, now for next 1 week, Instagram will keep on showing you my content in your feeds, right? So what here machine did this, machine learned from your action. And now machine wants you to take action on the basis of his context and algorithm. Okay, so this was machine learning. Now let's move to DL, that is deep learning. So until now we knew that machine learning is a follower of AI, but over here deep learning is a follower of machine learning. So if in Hindi we say that machine learning ने भी अपना एक चेला रखा हुआ है, that is deep learning, that is working for machine learning. Yes, deep learning is working for machine learning and machine learning is working for artificial intelligence. So this is a hierarchy going over here, right? So what is deep learning? So deep learning targets that it should think like a human brain. So deep learning is working on neural networks. What is neural networks? It is a system which is designed exactly like human brain. Yes. So deep learning wants to act like a human brain from our existing data. So let's take an example so that you can understand. So when we were in primary classes or when we were kids, we were shown different pictures of different things. For example, teacher used to tell us this is an apple. Teacher used to tell us this is a mango. Teacher used to tell us that this is a cow. And maybe from 2 or 3 images, we understood that this kind of body or this kind of living being is known as cow, right? If I remember, I would have seen an image of white cow with black spot, or maybe a dark brownish cow. And from those two pictures until now today, whenever I see different or any kind of cow, maybe a taller cow, a shorter cow, or thousands of cow, my brain know that this is a cow. Okay. So from few images, human brains know that we have to identify this element or this mammal, a cow. This is how human brain works, right? And deep learning wants to act exactly like this. Now let's take an example of deep learning which you are already using. So you have your face unlock on your mobiles, right? So at the time of setting up the face lock takes your pictures, right? It takes your eyes, it takes your nose, it takes your face shape and everything. So it is taking few information, your data, again your data, and from your data with the help of brain, his brain, that is neural network, it comes up that every time you come on your face, it will decide that yes, it is that guy and he will unlock or lock your phone, right? Every time I come on my phone, it says, yes, this is Divyansha on the data which I feed it to this and it unlocks the mobile phone. So this is one of the biggest and everyone is using these systems, these deep learning based systems, right? So we know what was AI. We know what is machine learning, that is learning from your data. But deep learning is a bigger image, right? Deep learning wants system to act smarter than human. Deep learning is aiming something else. Deep learning is one of the biggest pillar of artificial intelligence. So these were the differences between AI, ML and deep learning. And I hope now you're confident enough to tell anybody the differences, right? You can go and tell your friend that these are the differences, okay? And if you want to learn more concepts like this, for example, LLMs and AI agent, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video and you learn something, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And stop scrolling and start learning. Okay? Bye.